So the drawing, the object is far from the glass. The glass is far, the lens is smaller.
Sige, ang pangit ng posisyon ko dito.
We have that before. Now,
Excuse me.
if I look at this object and that's the glass, I study myself and then trace it. That is actually a perspective drawing. So I'll show you a model measuring. The model, I'm sorry, it's a very good figure. Measuring 40 by 23 by 37. Yeah, I will show you a model. What can you imagine of 40, 23, 37?
Hindi ko gets.
May statistics yun. 20, 20, 20.
Di ba masyadong malaki yun?
Hindi, magkukuha daw sa model na gano'n.
I have the model here.
Ay, ang ganda.
Measuring, okay? Measuring. What's the measurement? Oh. 37, 23, 40. Oh. In centimeters. If you look at this,
37? Yeah.
there's a hole here. If you later take a look at that, you fit there, you will see a drawing here. This glass out of this box. And you will appreciate the resulting drawing based on the projection. So later, if you will try, after the explanation, you will appreciate it that indeed perspective is a drawing that represents what is truly seen by the what you call naked eye. As if there's an eye that wears something. Yeah, my eye is not naked. It wears glasses, correct? Or contact lenses. Those who want to make their eyes more beautiful, they wear blue contact glasses.
Oh.
I'll draw this.
Or you take it. Yeah.
With this glass here as a line there. And the box there. And the viewer's eye here is drawn as a point here. In terms of this direction, you have the ground line representing this when the object is position, no? We call this ground line. And the vanishing point, where the object appears to vanish, we have a horizon line. So we will proceed.
Average.
I will draw this again. It's original. So we have this line representing the glass. And then from the top view, we have an object. Let's make it 30 degrees so that it will be easy to draw 30 degrees. And we have the horizon. We have the viewer. The viewer looks like an Indian or a Mexican with a hat there. Looking at that. So we have the viewer's head, bulb-headed. If you view the object from here, there's a piercing point. We call piercing point. As you can see, there are holes there. We call piercing points. So that's from the top. You relate that to that model. Then you have the horizon. Where the object seems to vanish, you have to draw vanishing lines. This one. So this one should be parallel there. Since this is 60, make it 60. Make it easier for your work. Draw this as 30, draw that as 60, and then if you draw a line parallel to that, just another 60-degree line. Then drop it downwards. It's in your Xerox anyway. This is our right vanishing point. Then to make the left vanishing point, so this is parallel to that. Let's see. Okay. So that's how to do it, parallel. Then bring it downward. You have the right vanishing point, you have the wrong vanishing point there at the left. So right, wrong, okay? Now, if you have an object that is far from the glass, the actual dimension of the true height will not be shown. So make it in such a way that there is something in contact with the glass. How do you do it? We move this forward so that this corner will appear near the glass, will be in contact with this glass. So ground line. This is our side view or front view, whatever you want to draw there, side or front view. That means this will be the height of the corner which you move forward there temporarily. Then if you draw a line there, you will find out that this corner will be appearing in this piercing point there, and this corner will appear there. So that's the further. This one will be here along this line, along this triangle. But where will it be? Here and here. Therefore, you drop a line there, it is this one.
Oh my God.
See? It's not the same as this, huh? They are not the same.
They're not the same.
So, this now will be that surface. To complete
Not the same.
our drawing, draw a line there, vanish to the left, and you have that.
Pag.
So that's the one. Okay? Now add the hidden lines. The
Gusto ko
hidden
kumain ng
lines
masarap
will be
to
there,
yun.
to the left, to the right. So that is the hidden line. Incidentally, what I will require you to do is something smaller. I will reduce this like that, so that you will have a small figure to draw because it's the whole box, mabigat. So binawasan ko. Now what will happen? You have to look for this. And you have to look for this. Where are those lines? Okay, gentlemen and ladies. This line can be located by also doing that there. And you have that one there. Project it there. That's enough. You don't need even this one. Just this one will be enough. Because once you locate that, you project it to the vanishing point at the right. And this one, you only have to place it here. Here. In the corner that is in contact with the glass. Because that shows the true measurement. Then vanish it to the left. And you have the corner. To the right, there. Then you have the final figure. Vertical, going to the left. Going to the right, there, vertical, and to the left. That is the answer to 2-point angular perspective. 2 points or angular. Why 2 points? Because there are two vanishing points. Why angular?
Ay,
Because
sus ko.
it's at an angle to the principal. Now, we will explain the second one. We will draw this, exactly this kind of figure. Ink only the perspective with hidden lines. Sir, shall we ink the top view? Ink only that perspective drawing. Ink only this. Sir, hindi na ink ito. Aywan ko sa'yo. Putak.
So we only got figure. Yeah, this one. With hidden lines.
Ipis.
No.
Isip.
Other figures, no.
Okay, we will now erase this so that we can discuss that one. I like your... somebody is not paying attention, I will ask you.